Hi students, in our last class we discussed about the definition of relation, right? If you have two sets A and B, two non-empty sets A and B, then the subsets of Cartesian product of A and B defines the relationship between or relation between A and B. Means relation is nothing but it is a subset of Cartesian product A and B. Okay, and see, so that we can write R is symbol for, R is a first letter of relation, so we are denoting relation as R is clearly subset of Cartesian product of two sets A and B. Okay, and we've seen there are three terms, that is domain, range and codomain. Domain means what? The set of all first component of the ordered pair in a given relation is called domain. The set of all first component of the ordered pair in the relation is called domain. Similarly, range means the set of all second component of the ordered pairs of the relation is called range. Okay, range is nothing but what? It is set of all second component of the ordered pair in a relation. Okay, and the second set is called always codomain. In a relation, the second set is called codomain. Okay, so that we discussed in the last class. And then the total number of relations also we discussed. Total number of relations, how many relations we will get if you have some number of element in A and B. Means if you have A is equal to P elements and B have Q elements, then we know number of element in Cartesian product of A and B is P into Q. But the number of subsets of this Cartesian product, subsets of this Cartesian product is 2 to the power PQ. But we know the subsets of Cartesian product is nothing but relation. Okay, so we'll get how many number of relation when you have A have P elements and B have Q elements, that is same, that is 2 to the power PQ itself. Okay, so this is the number of relation of the set from A to B. Okay, so now we'll see the problems related this. Okay, the problems, as I said, they will ask to find the domain, range and codomain, and also they will ask to depict the relation using arrow diagram. That also we seen in last class. So now we'll continue the problems regarding that. Okay, so the first question is, see, let A is equal to set of all, let A is equal to set of all 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, comma and so on, comma 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, like this. Okay, so here they skipped some numbers, they written dot dot dot, and at the end you have to write 14. Means till 14 here you have the numbers. Now define a relation R from A to A by R is equal to set of all order pair x comma y. R is equal to set of all order pair x comma y such that 3x minus y is equal to 0. 3x minus y is equal to 0. Where x comma y belongs to A. X and y are the element of A. Write down its domain, codomain and range. Okay, so here the given one set A, a relation defined from A to A, means here both sets you have to consider A itself. Both sets are A, means we can say here relation over A also we can say. Relation over A means what? Relation from A to A. First set is A, second set also A itself. Okay, now no need to draw here arrow diagram. Now we need to answer the question. We need to write down its domain, range and codomain. Okay, so how to write? So first we have to identify the elements present in the given relation, so that we need to write R in roster form first. R in roster form. So how to write? See, the element of R in the form of ordered pair. Okay, so how to get elements? See, in both sets you have how many elements? 1 2 3 4 so on 14, and here also we have 1 2 3 4 so on 14. Okay, so how the relation comes? See here, if you take x is 1, if you take x is 1, if you take x is 1, then what is y? See here, they given 3x minus y is equal to 3x minus y is equal to 0. From this we can write 3x is equal to y, 3x is equal to y, or y is equal to 3x, y is equal to 3x. So if you take x is equal to 1, then what is y? That is 3 into 1, 3 into 1 is 3. So first relation you got 1 related to 3, 1 related to 3. Similarly, okay, 1 related to 3 you got like this. Similarly, if you take x is equal to 2, if x is equal to 2, then what is y? That is 3 into 2, that is nothing but 6. Okay, so 2 comma 6. Next, if you take x is 3, if x is 3, then y is equal to 3 into x, 3 into 3, that is equal to 9. So next relation 3 to 3. Okay, 3 related to 3. Next, the next element we have 4 here. So if you take x is equal to 4, x is equal to 4, then y is what? 3 into 4. 3 into 4 is nothing but 12. So that is 4 comma 12. Now if you take x is 5, you can take x is 5, x is 6, and so on you can take. But if you take x is 5, what will get? See, if you take x is 5, that is y is nothing but 3 into 5, this is nothing but 15. But see, you know, here x and y are both elements of the set A only. So in A you have only 14 elements. There is no element 15 and the next elements. So next, for the elements of A, if you take after 4, ಅಂದರೆ 5 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 6 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 5,15 ಬರ್ತದೆ, 6,18 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನಮಗೆ ಸಿಗುವುದಿಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ನಮಗೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಾಂಪೊನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಸಚ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇಸ್. ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಫ್ಲವರ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್. ಸೊ ಓನ್ಲಿ 4 ಪಾಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 1,3, 2,6, 3,3, 4,12. Okay, now this is no need, this is for your reference I written. Okay, now so we written first in roster form, it's over. Now we need to write domain. So what is domain of R? Domain of R is what? Domain is nothing but, we know, set of all first component of the ordered pair, that is 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. What is the range? What is the range? Okay, range is nothing but set of all second component of the ordered pair, that is 3 6 3 6. Okay, here it is wrong, because if take x is 3, what will get? Y. 3 into 3, that is equal to 9. Okay, so correct it. So here 3 related to 9, sorry, rewrite properly. Okay, so here 3 6 9, next 12. Okay, so this is a range. Now it is codomain. Codomain is always, as I said, codomain is second set only. Always codomain is second set. Okay, here relation depend from A to A, second set also A itself. Okay, so like this. So very important, the last for 2-3 marks. Okay, to write domain, range and codomain, or they can ask any 2 for 2 marks like this. Very important question. Okay, I hope you understood. I'll go to the next question. Okay, now see what is the next question we have. Okay, define a relation R. Define a relation R on the set N. On the set N. N means what? Capital letter N. N is nothing but the set of all natural numbers. Of natural numbers. Natural numbers. Natural numbers. By R is equal to set of all order pair x comma y such that y is equal to x plus y, x plus 5, sorry, x plus 5, comma x is a natural number less than 4. X is a natural number. X is a natural number less than 4. Less than 4. Comma. X comma y belongs to n. X comma y belongs to n. Defect this relationship. Defect this relationship. This relationship. This relationship using Roche form. Using Roche form, not from arrow diagram here. They ask by defeat by Roche form. Write down the domain and range. Write down the domain and range. The domain and range. Okay, such question is very important. As I said, each and every question is very important of your this lesson. Okay, so don't neglect any question. So now we have here relation R on the set n means what? Relation from n to n. Relation from n to n. Okay, so both sets are here n itself. So here the given R is equal to set up all order pair x comma y such that y is equal to x plus 5, and x is a natural number. X is a natural number which is less than 4. So clearly x is less than 4. This is the given, and both x comma y are natural number. Okay, here only the given x and y are natural number. Okay, so now see, we need to take here x and y are natural number only, since both sets are here n. So now what are the order pairs we will get in this set? Okay, here the first question we need to write in Roche form. So how we can take the elements? In both sets we have the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Here also we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, because both sets are here n. Okay, so if you take x is 1, if x is 1, then what is y will get? Y is equal to x plus 5, means 1 plus 5, that is equal to 6. So 1 related to 6 here. Okay, next if you take here, see, always remember here the given x is strictly less than 4, so only x can take the value 1, 2, 3. Only 3 numbers we have to take for x. Okay, so if you take x is equal to 2, then what is y? Y is equal to x plus 5, that is nothing but 2 plus 5 here, that is 7. Okay, so 2 related to 7. Next, if you take here x is equal to 3, we can take next number 3. Then what is y? Y is nothing but 2 plus, not here, x plus 5, that is 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. So 3 related to 8. Now can we take x as 4? No, because x is strictly less than 4 is given. So only 3 numbers we can take for x. Okay, so you got the Roche form representation of relation from n to n. Now next we need to write what? Domain. What is the domain? Domain means set up all first component of the order pair. This is 1, 2, 3. What is range? Range is nothing but set up all second component of the order pair 6, 7, 8. Okay, so this is the answer for the given question. So very easiest, right? We can answer very easily, and very important question is don't neglect this question. Okay, now we'll move into the next question. So what is the next question they given? See, a is equal to, this is your first exercise. The question what I am doing, it is from your first exercise. Okay, see, a is equal to set of all 1, 2, 3, 5, 1, 2, 3, 5, and b is equal to set of all 4, 6, 9, 4, 6, 9, 4, 6, 9. Define a relation R. Define a relation R. A relation R from A to B. From A to B. From A to B by R is equal to set up all order pair x comma y such that the difference between x and y is odd. The difference between x and y is odd. Okay, comma, x belongs to A and y belongs to B. X is the element of first set and y is the element of second set. Write R in roster form. Write R in roster form. So now, see how the relation is given. R is equal to set of all odd pair x comma y such that the difference between x and y is odd. So here x is the element of first set and y is the element of second set. So in the first set, what are the elements you have? 1, 2, 3, 5. In the second set, what are the elements you have? 4, 6, 9. Now we need to collect the order pairs such that the difference of x and y, x is the element of first set, y is the element of second set, the difference of x and y should odd. Okay, odd andre gottidalva 1, 3, 5, 7 so on, they are odd numbers. So difference ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ odd numbers ಬರಬೇಕು. ನೋಡಿ, ಈ 1 ಮತ್ತು 4 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ, if you take 1, x is 1 and y is 4. Okay, y is 4. Then 4 minus 1, ದೊಡ್ಡ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಂದ ಸಣ್ಣ ನಂಬರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ, 4 minus 1 is 3. Clearly it is odd. So I can take this relation in your R. Okay, in this set we can take the first relation 1 related to 4. Now if you take x is 1 with 6 for each element you have to check. Okay, so if you take x is 1 and y is equal to, if you take 6 again, that is 6 minus 1 is equal to what? We'll get 5. Again it is odd, so we can take 1,6. Next, if you take x is 1, y is 5. So what is the difference? 5 minus 1, 4. So this is E1, so don't write it. Okay, no need to write that. So for x is 1 I written. Now for x is equal to 2. If x is equal to 2 and, okay, this I fix, and y is equal to 4. So 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. This is E1. So we want odd difference. Okay, next, same, x is 2 and y is 6. We always should know difference of two even number is even. Difference of even number with the odd number is odd. Okay, so here difference of two even number will get again even, that is 6 minus 2 is what? 4. It is even. Next what we take? X is equal to 2, y is equal to 5. So now 5 minus 2 is equal to 3, so it is odd, so we can take that element here 2, 5. Okay, next 3 and 4, if you take 4 minus 3 is 1, so we can take that 3, 4. Okay, 3 and 6 minus 3 is 3, so we can take that 3, 6. 3 and 5 minus 3 is what? 2, so that is E1, don't take that. Now 5 and 4, 5 minus 4 is what? 1, so I can take 5, 4. 5 and 6, here remember in order pair there is no condition that A is less than B. Okay, either condition illa, there is no condition in order pair. It is only in interval, open interval matra adar condition. 5 greater number first ತಕೊಂಡು next small number ತಗೊಳ್ಬೋದು, problem ಇಲ್ಲ. Okay, now 5 related to 6 ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? 6 minus 5 is to 1, so it is possible again. So 5 related to 6, but whether 5 related to 5, no, 5 minus 5 is 0, so that is E1 ಅಂತ consider ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, so it is not possible. So only this much it is possible. Okay, now this is R you got. Okay, this is a question asked, so we answered, we got here, so this is the correct answer. Okay, check properly and write down. Now, so you can note down the points when we are doing in the class. You can keep one point book. Okay, in point book we can write down some points which is required. Okay, for your reference. Now What I am saying is you have to complete your notes and assignment work regularly. As I seen some students who came to the college to meet us, they didn't return some notes properly. Okay, that's why I'm saying write down the notes and assignment work properly, because we are also writing and sending you to ಅಲ್ವಾ. ನಾವು ಬರೆದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ ಪ್ರತಿದಿನ, ನೀವು ಅದೇ ಥರ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಸಿ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. The figure shows figure ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. The figure shows a relationship between the sets P and Q. The sets P and Q. Write this relation. Sub questions. Write this relation in set builder form. Second sub question in roster form. Okay, now, and then what is the domain and range? Now see the figure what they given. I draw the figure. See here. So like this they given. We have the arrow diagram. Here the elements are in the set P. We have the elements are 5, 6, 7. Like this they given. And here in the set Q we have the elements 3, 4. This is point like this. Okay, 5. There's no need to write points. No need to. Okay, now. So as they given a right arrow mark. Here this is arrow mark. This is the arrow mark. Means what is the meaning of that? 5 related to 3, 6 related to 4, 7 related to 5. Okay, so directly we can answer for your second question. Roster form we can write directly, right? So how to write directly? So R for second sub question I can answer it directly. R is a relation we need to consider here. R is equal to set of all 5, 3, 6, 4, 7, 5. So you got the answer directly. But what about your first question? In set builder form you have to write. So when writing in set builder form, you should see the how element is related, how the components are related inside the ordered pair. Okay, see here you have when 5. Then what is if you take x is 5, what is y? 3. Okay, if x is 5, then y is 3. Second, if x is 6, then what is y? 4. Y is equal to 4 you have. X is 7, y is equal to 5. So what is the relationship between x and y in each? Is there the differences too? Difference means if you do the subtraction here, x is greater number than y, you can observe when x is 5, y is 3. When x is 6, y is 4. X is 7, y is 5. So if you do the difference 5 minus 3 or subtraction from x to y, it is 2. Here also it is 2 and here also it is 2. That is nothing but x minus y is equal to 2. X minus y is equal to 2. Or we can write like this also by rearranging, finding the value of y. Okay, y is equal to x plus 2. Y is equal to x plus 2. X is equal to y plus 2, y plus 2, y is equal to x minus 2 will get x minus 2. Okay, x minus 2. Anyway you can write, no problem. So now see, relation I should write in set builder form. So when writing in set builder form, first you will write the general order pair here, that is order pair x comma y, such that any one of these you write. Okay, either x minus y is 2 or x is equal to y plus 2 or y is equal to x minus 2. Anyway, okay, I'll write the first x minus y is equal to 2, comma, this column you write. Here how many sets you have? Two sets, p and q. X is the element of first set, right? So we have to write x belongs to p, comma, y is the element of second set, 3 4 5 3 4 5. So we have to write y belongs to q. So it's over. So how to write relation set builder form and how to write it is in roster form. Okay, so that we studied here. Now we need to write domain. What is the domain of the relation? Domain is nothing but you can observe here the first components of the order pairs are 5 6 7. What is the range? Range is equal to set of all 3 4 5. It is the second component of your order pairs. Okay, so we got the answer properly here. So likewise you have to answer in your exam also. Okay, when writing exam, don't take confusion, write properly. Okay, so if you write first exam properly, then next exam, next onwards you can write exam in perfect. Okay, like means what? ಫಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸಿ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಅದೇ ಫ್ಲೋವಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಬೈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ನೀವು ಮೇಲೆ ಬರ್ಬೋದು. ಇಲ್ಲದಿದ್ದರೆ ನೀವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಅದೇ ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸಿಯನ್ನು ನೀವು ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಯಾವುದು ಬೆಟರ್ ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನು ಆಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಯಾಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಫಸ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಕಾನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸಿ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಬೆಟರ್. ಯಾಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಒಂದೇ ಥರ ಕವರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ನೀವು ಒಂದೇ ಥರ ನೀವು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀರಿ. ಅಪ್ ಟು ಡೇಟ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಯಾವುದೇ ನಾವು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು, ಅಸೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ತೃಪ್ತಿಗೆ ನೀವು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಕೇಳಿ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಬರೆದು ಅಸೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬರೆಯೋದು ಬೇಡ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಡ್ಯೂಟಿ ಟು practice daily. It's your duty to practice daily of what we taught in the class. Okay, now see next question. Let A is equal to set of all. Is very important. Sometimes they'll ask in exam. Okay, 1 2 3 4 6. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಕಿಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. 1 2 3 4 5 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, 6 ಅಂತಿದೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಹಾಗೆ ಬರೀರಿ. ಲೆಟ್ ಆರ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಆರ್ ಆರ್ ಬಿ ದ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಆನ್ ಎ ಡಿಫೈನ್ಡ್ ಬೈ set of all order pair A comma B such that set up all order pair A comma B such that A comma B belongs to A, comma, what is the property? See, B is exactly divisible by A, B is the element of A also element of A, because they are both sets are A. Relation on A means what? Relation from A to A. Okay, now write R in roster form. Sub questions. Write R in roster form. Second sub question. Find the domain of R. Find the domain of R and then find the range of R. Find the domain and range of R. Okay, so see the question here. We have two sets is same, that is 1 2 3 4 6, and this set also 1 2 3 4 6. Okay, I am writing arrow diagram for your convenience. Okay, for better understanding. No need to check or write always. So R is equal to, how it is defined? See, R is a relation defined such that R is equal to set up all order pair A comma B such that B is exactly divisible by A, and A comma B belongs to A only. Okay, ಸೊ ಬಿ ಈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಡಿವಿಸಿಬಲ್ ಬೈ ಎ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಬರಬಾರ್ದು, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿರೋ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ನೋಡಿ. 1 1s are 1, 1 2s are 2, 1 3s are 3, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. 1 4s are 4, 1 6s are 6. 2 how much are 1? Is it possible? 2 into half is 1, but it is not exactly divisible by, okay, divisible by a ಅಂತ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ 2 1s are 2 ಆ ಥರ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಬರಬೇಕು. 2 1s are 2, 2 halves are 1 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದಲ್ಲ. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 ಸ್ಕಿಪ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡಿ. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6 ಹಾಗೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 3 1s are 3, 3 ಬರ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. 3 2s are 6, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಕಿಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. 4 ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಕಿಪ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. 4 1s are 4, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. 4 ಇಂಟು ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಗೆಟ್ 6? ಇಲ್ಲ, ಪಾಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, 6 ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. 4 2s are 8, ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಸ್ಕಿಪ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. 6 1s are 6, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಕಿಪ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ನಾ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಅದು ಈಗ ಬರೀತೇನೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಫಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಬಿ ಈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಡಿವಿಸಿಬಲ್ ಬೈ ಎ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ 1ಇಂದ ಅದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಸೊ 1 1s are 1 ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 1 2s are 2, so 1 related to 2. 1 3s are 3, so 1 related to 3. 1 4s are 4, 1 relates to 4. 1 6s are 6, 1 related to 6. 2 1s are 2, so 2 related to 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, so 2 related to 4. 2 3s are 6, 2 related to 6 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಎ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಟ್, ಬಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸೆಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡಿ 3 ಯಾವುದು ಬರಬೇಕು? 3ಗೆ ಯಾವುದು ರಿಲೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ? 3ಗೆ 3 ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಹಾಂ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 3ಗೆ ಯಾವುದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ರಿಲೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ? 6, 3 6. 4 1s are 4, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗೋದು ಯಾವುದು? 4ಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಅದೇ ಥರ 6 ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ? 6ಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ, 6 6. ಸೊ ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ನಿಮಗೆ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇಸ್ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ 1 1s are 1, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. 1 1s are 1, 1 2s are 2, 1 3s are 3, 1 4s are 4, 1 5s are 5, 5 ಇಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. 1 6s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 4 1s are 4, 6 1s are 6. So you got what relation you got in Roche form. Now you need to answer the second sub question. We need to write domain. So what is the domain? Domain is nothing but set of all first component of the order pair. So 1, so 1 you have already written 1, don't repeat again 5 times, no need to write. Next 2, okay, so again don't repeat. Next 3, and then 4, and then 6. Similarly, what is range? Range is set of all second component of order pair. It is 1 2 3 4 6, 1 2 3 4 6. Okay, 1 is here, 2 is here, 3 4 6, like this. Okay, now we'll see the next question. Okay, I hope you understood this question very properly. Practice this question once again. Okay, once again you have to practice. So the next question, determine domain and range. See, for each question is same. Okay, we have to write domain and range itself. Determine the domain and range. Of the relation are defined by, R is equal to set of all order pair x comma y. Okay, like this. X comma y means here x plus y they given, x plus 5, where x takes the values 0 1 2 3 4 5. X can take the value only this much, 0 1 2 3 4 5. So this included in this set. Okay, so like this, the given is also very important question. See, determine the domain and range of R. R is what here? Set of all order pair x comma x plus 5. Here, if you take x is x, then what is y? X plus 5. Okay. If you take first component, then what is y? X plus 5. So x can take the values 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But there is no restriction for y. Okay. So you can write any number for y when you take x. So if you take 5, 5 plus 5, 10 also we can write. Okay. Now see. So how will get relation? R is equal to, if you take x is 0, if x is 0, then what is y? Y is nothing but 0 plus 5 is nothing but 5. So 0 related to 5. Now next, if you take x is 1, next number, x is 1, then what is y? 1 plus 5, 6. So 1 related to 6. Similarly 2 plus 5, 7. 2 related to 7. 3 plus 5, it is 8. 3 plus 5 is 8. If you take x is 3, y is equal to 3 plus 5, it is 8. Okay, 3 related to 3, 8. 4 if you take, 4 plus 5, 9. If you take 5, 5 plus 5, 10. Okay, here x belongs to this set, okay, but y belongs to which set they didn't mention, so no need to stop here. Okay, we can continue till what are the elements we'll get, till there we are, right? Now, what is the domain? Domain is nothing but set of all first component of the order pairs. It is 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Range is nothing but set of all second component of the order pair. Set of all second component of the order pair. That is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like this. Okay, you got the answer for this question. I hope you understood this question. Okay, very easiest question, right? Okay. Now see the next question. See the next question. Write the relation R. Write the relation R. Write the relation R is equal to set of all order pair x comma x cube such that x is a prime number x is a prime number less than 10. This is the set they given in roster form, right? In roster form. Okay, see here, the given R is equal to set of all order pair x comma x cube such that x is a prime number less than 10. So prime numbers, you know, the numbers which is divisible by either 1 or itself is called as prime number. Here we need to take the prime number which is less than 10. Means the prime numbers which is less than 10 are 2, 3, 5, 7, then it comes, okay, like this, only 2, 3, 5, 7. Okay, next comes 11, so which is greater than 10, so only 4 numbers will get for x. Okay, now, what is x cube? Here, if you take first component is x, second component is x cube. Okay, so if you take x is equal to 2, then y is equal to 2 cube, or that is equal to 8. So here x related to y means 2 related to 8 here. That is the first order pair you got. Similarly, if you take x is equal to 3, then y is nothing but x cube. That is nothing but what? 3 to the power 3. So we have to multiply 3 times. That is nothing but 27. Okay, so second order pair is 3, 27. Next, if you take x is equal to 5, what is y? 5 cube. 5 cube is nothing but 5 into 5 into 5, and that is nothing but 125. So here 5 related to 125. And then if you take x is equal to 7, y is nothing but 7 cube. 7 into 7 into 7, that is nothing but 49 into 7, and that is equal to 63, and here you will get 6, 28 plus 6, that is 34. So that is 343. 7 related to 343. So this is the set R you got. R in Roche form. In Roche form. Okay, now the next question we'll see. Okay. See, I hope you understood this. The element in the form x comma x cube. Okay. Now, so the next question, I think it is your last question of your first exercise. Okay, two questions remain. See, let A is equal to set of all x comma y comma z. X comma y comma z. And B is equal to set of all 1 comma 2. B is equal to set of all 1 comma 2. Find the number of relations from A to B. Find the number of relations from A to B. A to B. This already told in previous only. So if you have in A P elements and in B Q elements, then number of element in Cartesian product is P into Q. Number of possible relation is total number of relation is E is equal to 2 to the power PQ. 2 to the power P into Q. Okay. So here, how many number of elements in A you have? How many number of elements in A you have? 3. How many number of elements in B we have? 2. Therefore, total number of relation from A to B. From A to B is how many? 2 to the power P into Q, that is 3 into 2, or that is nothing but 2 to the power 6. 2 to the power 6 is nothing but 64, right? 64 alva nodi, 2 bekandre ನೀವು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಬಹುದು. Okay, like this. 4 4 4 4 into 4 16 into 4 64. Okay, like this. So 64 relations are possible here. 64 relations are possible. Okay. Now I'll move into your last question of your first exercise. Okay. Last question. See. Let R be a relation on Z. Let R be a relation on Z. Relation on Z. This is second exercise, not first. Okay, first exercise is what? Of your Cartesian product and order pair. This is your second exercise, and this is last problem of your second exercise. Okay, defined by R is equal to set of all order pair A comma B such that A comma B belongs to Z, comma A minus B is an integer. A minus B is an integer. Find domain and range of R. Find domain and range of R. Range of R. See here. Here R is nothing but what? Set of all order pair A comma B. Okay, it contains elements like this. This is first set A, second set B, means second set is both sets are Z here because relation on Z. Okay, now how it is defined? See, both are elements of Z, means here A belongs to Z, B also belongs to Z. A comma B belongs to Z, such that the difference of those two numbers should be integer. A minus b, if you take integer, such collection you want to do, such collection. See, ಈಗ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ಸ್ ಬರಿತೇನೆ 0, 1, -1, -2, -3 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೋ ಆನ್, 1, 2, 3 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೋ ಆನ್. ಅದೇ ಥರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ 0, -1, -2, -3 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೋ ಆನ್, 1, 2, 3 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೋ ಆನ್. ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ 0 ಇಂದ ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೇನೆ, a ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ, 0 ಇಂದ 0 - 0, 0, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆನ್ ಇಂಟಿಜರ್. 0 - 1, -1, again it is integer. 0 - 2, -2, it is integer. 0 - 3, -3, it is integer. So on, they are integers. Next, 0 minus of -1, 1, it is an integer. 0 minus of -2, 2, that is an integer. Again, all the difference if you do, they are integer. So if you take 0 is fixed, and if you do the difference of each element of second set, that is integer. Similarly, if you take 1 and if you do the difference again, we'll get the integer. If you take 2 and if you take the difference again, we'll get the integer. And so on, if you take any numbers of first set and if you take the difference with the each and every element of second set, we'll get integer only. So here in each set, okay, here all the numbers are included in first component of the order pair. In second component of order pair also each numbers we will get. So here first set is nothing but will get set up all component of order pair, that is all the integers will get, that is z. Okay, so domain is nothing but here z we will get. Similarly, range is nothing but second component of order pair, it is also integer will get. So both sets are here integer. Directly we can answer this question. Okay, this is general question they ask, so we can answer directly. Okay, like this. So I hope you understood about this class. Okay, there is no confusion, we can solve any question of relation very easily. Means here they are asking to finding the domain, range and codomain of each relation, and to write or depict the relation using arrow diagram, or write the relation in roster form, or write the relation in set builder form. Okay, I hope you understood. I see you in next session. Okay, thank you.